this site has been deleted. So I'm going to show you how to recover your site. When you click on the link and then you saw this message popping up saying that your site has been deleted. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. All that you have to do is that to recover your deleted website, what you have to do is that you have to simply go to Google and then come and type in zipwp and then hit enter. Okay, so when it's come, just come and then select the official site of zipwp, just like this one, and then over here on the top you are going to see contact us. Simply click on it. So when you click on it, what you have to do is to just simply come and then fill this form, and then you get your website back in just a few minutes. So all you have to do is just put in your first name here, then come and put in your last name, and then simply come here and then come and put in your email address. And then the most important aspect of it is the subject. Okay, so come and then put in the subject as recover my deleted site. Okay, and then come and then write the message that you are going to use to send to them. Simply write something nice telling them that you want your deleted website back, and then come and put your link here. You can get the deleted link from your email address. They always send you an email before they delete it. So this is the site URL here. Right, click on it and then come and click on copy link, and then come and paste it right here in the box, and then that just say thank you. So after that, just simply come down here where it says I'm not a robot, and then come and check the box, and then simply come here and then come and click on submit. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to receive this thank you message saying that they have received your message, and then they are going to get back to you within 24 hours. All that you have to do is just stay tuned to your email, and then you are going to receive this message. Okay, so just click on it, and then it says that they have received your message, and then they are going to get back to you as soon as possible. So I waited for some time, and then they got back to me, and this was the message. So it says that yes, I can retrieve my deleted message, and before I'll be able to get my deleted message, what I have to do is that I have to upgrade to the paid plan. Okay, so if you upgrade to the paid plan, you can restore your message in just one click. So the easiest way and then the only way to get your deleted message back is to simply upgrade to the paid version. So when you go to your dashboard, just upgrade to the paid version, and then you are going to get your deleted website back just like this one. Thank you for watching. Like it, and then see you in my next video.